So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Asylum. Today we are going to see that how to shut down your computer with Python. Okay, so guys, you can see that we are at our Python shell, and now I'm going to show you that how to shut down a PC using Python. Okay, so for that what you need to do is you need to import the module named OS. Okay, and once you import it, you should use os.system, then having a parenthesis you should write in strings that shutdown /s/t and then 1, and then close the string and the parenthesis. And when you press enter, and just see, if I press enter, it will shut down my computer and will sign out me from my PC. Okay, I'm pressing enter now, just see it. So guys, see, you can see that it has shut down my computer and signed out me from my PC. So guys, if you like this video, do like it. Okay, to give it a like. Okay.